There are now less than few days remaining to the earliest rumored date for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's release. Samsung's next anticipated flagship phone is likely coming in January to wage war on the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Aside from the potentially earlier announcement and release date, we seem to already know a lot about the upcoming device thanks to the wide barrage of leaks and rumors flying around. One thing is for sure, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a major step in the Galaxy S series evolution going forward. A proper flagship should have lots of storage. Even in the base version, the Galaxy S24 Ultra would most likely start at 256 GB of internal storage, just as much as the Galaxy S23 Ultra has, and also offer 512 GB of the stuff, as well as range-topping version with the whopping 1 TB of storage. Of course, the latter is quite expensive but could definitely fit all the photos and videos you are going to take with the phone. Now the most important part, should I wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? You should wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra if you have kept yourself from upgrading the Galaxy S22 Ultra or Galaxy S23 Ultra and are rocking on an aging Galaxy flagship. Think Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy S10 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra. Upgrading to the Galaxy S24 Ultra from any of those will almost certainly give you insane value and a vast improvement of your overall phone experience. You should not wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra if you have just scored a flagship in the last 2 years and have no qualms about it, as flagship smartphones have peaked long ago and the overall new tech adoption has somewhat slowed down. Upgrading every 2 years is no longer necessary. Thus, if you have a fairly recent phone that does the job for you just fine, it's somewhat unlikely that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the second coming of the praised. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.